Do you want to make your privacy on TikTok even greater? In today's video, I will show you how easily you can hide your TikTok account from your phone contacts. This step can be useful if you want to keep your profile only for those you choose. Follow the steps and learn how to prevent your contacts from finding you on TikTok. So here's how. First, open your TikTok app and log into your account. Once you're on the TikTok home screen, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you're on your profile page, you'll see 3 lines in the top right corner. Tap them, and then select the Settings and Privacy option from the menu that appears. Once you're on the Settings page, find the Privacy option and tap it. When you're on the Privacy Settings page, you'll see several options. Find the option called Suggest Your Account to Others and tap it. Once you open this option, you'll see 3 or 4 different settings you can turn on or off. Since we want to hide our TikTok account from contacts, simply toggle the switch next to Contacts. And that's it. After that, your TikTok profile will no longer be visible or suggested to your phone contacts. This means your privacy will be increased because no one from your contact list will be able to find you or see your profile on TikTok. Very simple but effective, right? If you liked this video, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, and thank you for watching.